In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for text within a Google Slides presentation using the Find and Replace feature. This nifty tool allows you to quickly locate any text you need and replace it with something new if necessary. Let's dive right in and see how you can streamline your workflow using this functionality. First things first, you need to access your Google Slides presentation. Once you have it open, you have a couple of options to use the Find and Replace tool. One way is to click on Edit in the menu bar at the top of your screen and then select Find and Replace from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows or Chrome OS, that's Ctrl plus F, and for those on a Mac, it's plus F. This is a quick way to bring up the search functionality. Now, on to actually finding the text. Once the Find and Replace dialog box is open, you'll see a field labeled Find. Here, you can type in the specific text you're searching for. Once you've entered your term, click on Next to go through each occurrence of the text within your presentation. This is extremely useful for identifying all the places you might want to make changes or confirm that certain terms have been used correctly throughout your slides. But what if you find that a particular piece of text needs to be updated across your entire presentation? That's where the Replace feature comes in handy. In the same dialog box, there's a Replace With field. You can enter the new text you want to substitute for the old one. If you're comfortable with changing every instance at once, click on Replace All. On the other hand, if you'd like to switch out text selectively, just click Replace for each individual change. This gives you the flexibility to modify your slides precisely how you see fit. Now, let's move on to another powerful tool, the Explore feature. In Google Slides, you'll find the Explore icon at the bottom right corner of your window, resembling a magnifying glass nestled within a speech bubble. You can also access it by clicking Tools followed by Explore. This tool isn't just for exploring, it's a treasure trove of resources. You can use the search bar to find information and images on the web that relate to your presentation's topic. Plus, it offers suggested layouts and can help you find content from your Google Drive. One particularly handy aspect of the Explore tool is the ability to find copyright-friendly images. Go to Insert, then select Image and click on Search the Web to find images that are safe to use. To ensure proper use, you can locate the source of an image by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the lower right of the preview, and then selecting the top left corner of the image preview. And that's it. Whether you're refining the text in your slides or infusing your presentation with new information and imagery, these tools will definitely save you time and effort. Happy presenting!